Yo, what's good? How you guys doing? It's the day, baby. Y'all already know what day it is. It's finally here, man. My car, I haven't had it for at least a month, and I'm so excited, bro. We just got here to the wrap shop. We're about to walk inside. Listen, I already saw the car. I'm gonna be honest. They had it parked outside, and I already saw it. Down the street, it looked crazy as we were turning into the parking lot. We're like, yo, everybody in the car just completely lost it. Like, everyone just froze for a second, and we're like, no way, it looks insane. I can't wait to show you guys the car. Oh my God, chat, you have no idea. I'm like a kid that just got like a birthday gift for the first time in his whole life. I don't know how that would work. First time in his whole life, that means it was like 1 year old. Yeah, at that age, you have no idea what the hell's going on. Okay, that's a bad analogy. All I know is I'm excited. So before we do the whole reveal, all right, check it out. We're launching the vlog channel again. We're getting back into things. I'm hoping that I can be a lot more consistent with doing vlogs and whatnot, but it all comes down to how much love you guys show this video. Your boy needs a little bit of motivation, okay? I need you guys to like hype me up, all right? Watch the videos, comment, like it, whatever, subscribe, share, who knows? Give it to your grandma, maybe she likes the content. Regardless, we're about to get into it. I'm gonna start vlogging again, so make sure to show love to this video because there's a lot more to come, especially with the car looking the way it is right now. You guys are gonna see what I mean by that, man. It looks insane. We're here, I'm at the garage door. I'm gonna have them pull it out, and oh man, you guys aren't ready for this. I'm telling you, you're not ready for this. And ladies and gentlemen, introducing the only chrome green Huracan in Chicago, baby! Oh, baby, baby. Hey, who had it right? Who guessed it, chat? Who guessed it? Come on, there's gotta be somebody that got the color right. This thing is wicked. Oh my God. No, that's different. Oh my God. This thing looks crazy, dude. I don't know how this looks on camera, but in person, it is stunning, dude. I absolutely love it. I love how it came out. Yo, big shout out to Electric Auto Finish though. I knew these were the right guys for the job, bro. And this is a crazy job too. Right here we have.
What's up, Christian?
Christian in the house. Yo, honestly, this guy just told me that on one side mirror, he spent 5 hours.
Yeah, 5 hours. 5 hours, and I had to take 2 days to do it, man. It was a lot of work, especially the mirrors, the whole car.
I mean, it shows. It shows. Honestly, the attention to detail has been nuts. Every single time that I had any question, they answered it right away. He actually, right now, I had a quick question about a door handle, and he fixed it on the spot. These guys are freaking amazing, and if you want to shout out your address and stuff, then...
yeah, we're at 1705 West Armitage Court here in Addison.
There you go, Addison, Illinois. This is the spot to go. The car looks insane. Of course, you guys are gonna see a lot more videos of the car, a lot more looks at every single part of this car. But we're in here warming up right now because it's cold as hell outside. It's like, what, 5 degrees outside right now?
Yeah, it's like 5 degrees. That's before windshield too.
Bro, hell no. But yo, this was insane. The car came out amazing. I'm really excited to share all the different angles with you guys and show you guys everything that they did on the car, but it looks nuts. Like, if you see this car from across the street, you're like, what the heck is that? And I actually got the inspiration that way. We were at San Diego TwitchCon, and we were driving, and from far away, we saw a purple chrome McLaren.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it was me and a couple of my boys, and we're like, what is that coming towards us? So I wanted a car that kind of does that, and that's why we went with a chrome green. It's your boy's favorite color. I know everyone thought it was gonna be lime green, but chrome green, baby, we doing it different. Yeah, but it was difficult. Like, it was hella difficult.
It was really hard. It's honestly one of the hardest cars and material I have worked with in the past 5 years, but the results were so worth it.
Yeah, dude, it's so sick. I mean, you guys' attention to detail is like, it's literally unmatched, bro. Like, every single question that I had, anything, these guys were on it, and it shows, man. It shows in the work. But yo, mad love. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for all the work, man. You guys are freaking awesome.
Take care.
Mad love, man. Thank you guys, bro. Let Adam know it's all love. Sheesh, chat. We're got a lot more to do today, but we're gonna say bye to these guys for now, and we're gonna continue the day. Oh, damn. Bro, open the door. I opened the door and I hit all of them. I just did it again. Bro, I opened the door and all these guys just got bumped hard as shit. For those of you that don't know, we're here with your boy Nav. Yeah. Oh, they said yo for the first time. Bro, last time on the first vlog, he just showed his face and he disappeared. You got your boy Berm. Yeah. You got them pants. Sheesh, style going crazy. Japan in the house. Lefty. As you guys know, Shadow Steel. Jake Ploop. Mr. Taco Bell. The fuck was that? What? The fuck was that even? What even was that? No, it's just crazy. Bro just whacked the What is? Bro, why did this happen? Why is this so close to my face? Yeah, today's gonna be a good day, man. We're gonna go grab something to eat and hopefully go somewhere for some pictures real quick. There was a photographer here earlier today that got a bunch of pics of the car, and we're gonna be working with them on Instagram hopefully, so that'll be pretty cool to see all the different shots that they got of the car. I know a lot of the people that we've been working with that are photographers and stuff are very excited to shoot this car. They have no idea what it looks like. I've been telling them the yellow was nuts, but we're bringing something different. And I think we did that today. Oh man, I'm so excited, Chad. It's gonna be so cool. Yeah, what were you saying?
Yeah, dude, I waited 5 years to wrap a Lamborghini in chrome, and I finally did it.
Bro, I'm telling you, it looks like it was hella difficult to do, bro. Like hella.
So
on God. I mean, it's crazy because it's true, right? You can't actually stretch the material.
No, you cannot. Like every single part you lay, you get one shot. There's no shrinking. There's no, you crease it, it doesn't heal. You get one shot and one shot only.
Nah, that's wild, bro. Because you can't do anything with it. You can't even heat gunning it is like, you have to be very careful,
I had
right?
to use a steamer, and like every single squeegee stroke, dude, I had to like be really precise with it.
No shot. And you know what? I'm very surprised that there's no swirls or anything on it. Like it looks super smooth. I know the car's gonna get cooked though, the longer it's on the road. Just because like generally, right? Chrome wraps, obviously they get like sun damage, they get like swirls and rock chips, yeah.
That's normally how it is, but I mean, when it's on fresh, dude, it looks so freaking good.
Bro, it looks freaking fire. I'm telling you, the second that we pulled up, it was like, what is that, bro? We got blinded, low key. Might be illegal, oh no, we'll see. Oh, freaking freezing, bro. We're sitting in the car right now, warming up. 13 degrees right now, bro. Oh, freezing. Bro, we just had a quick little photo shoot session. The car looks nuts, especially in the sun. The lighting makes it, bro. It's insane. And when I was driving it, dude, every single person that we drove by, tell me they weren't snapping their necks, dude. Yeah. Every single time we drive by somebody, they're like this, bro, like unnecessarily snapping their necks. It was insane, mashallah, bro. It came out so good. It's turning way more heads. Before, with the yellow one, it was already turning heads, right? Everyone's looking at it. Everyone's like, oh my God, cool car, yada, yada. But this thing, just the freaking, like, the shock factor of, like, how shiny it is and even the color on the car, right? It, like, reflects onto the ground. You guys saw that?
Yeah, 100%.
Like,
yeah, you turn green.
Yeah, you turn the whole body, if you're next to it, turns green. The whole ground was green, too. It looks so cool, man. The reactions, in my opinion, have been the best part about it so far. And we haven't even gone to like really public areas. It's just like driving down the street, people taking pictures, snapping their necks. Oh man, it's so sick. But yeah, we're warming up right now. Really hungry. We're gonna go find a spot to eat and then see what happens after that.
Hands are so cold.
My hands are so cold. They're so cold. Oh. Yo, bro, I'm so hungry. Let me get some Pringles.
It's empty.
We just got that.
I was hungry.
Starving?
I'm bulking up.
How much more can you bulk? Nah, that's wild. I'm never gonna be able to eat again, especially around these people. It's crazy. Durant's not here, and this is usually a thing that you would think like, oh, you don't have to worry about food anymore, bro. The whole vacuum's gone, right? It's in a different state. But no, there's this guy.
Taco Bell?
Bro, will you ever change off of that? Bro, one of the craziest parts about this car is parking it and then walking away and looking back at it. Oh my God, it looks so crazy, bro. And here's Burma's car right here. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet. Let me show you guys this car. Actually, it's kind of nuts. This right here is your boy Bermit's lifted Tacoma. Ooh, this thing is crazy. You know what's wild? Actually, we're on the highway and they're recording me from this car, right? They're getting rollers and whatnot, and everyone's looking at both of us like, bro, what is happening right now? It's your obvious, like, super standard roller recording car, right? Isn't it? Especially with the color. The color looks nuts. That's paint, of course. That's not. Oh my God, bro, it's like a GTA car, bro. When I was walking away from it, it did not look real. Like, is that thing spawned in? What's going on? Oh, I love it. Guys, you gotta let me know. Did your boy do good or what? All right, now it's way too cold. I'm gonna get my ass inside. Why do I live somewhere where the cold air is murdering my face? It hurts so much, bro. It's freaking freezing. Feels like it's -6 right now, but yeah. This place is called Bird's Hot Chicken. It's spelled with a Y, and we're here. We just got here. We're gonna eat. I'm freaking starving. I can't wait to eat, bro. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. I think it's like 4 p.m. or something right now. I don't really know. I lost track of time. But this is the bar right here. We're over in Schaumburg, Illinois. We're gonna go inside and hopefully max out, bro. Bermit, what's that drink called again? What is that called again? A jarrito. Yo, this guy's like, yo, I'm gonna get that drink right there. What's that green one at the top called? I'm like, oh, it's a Jaritos. And he's like, arigatos. How the hell are you gonna mess that up? He just got back from Japan. You gotta let it slide. You gotta let it slide. We're gonna let it slide, all right?
Nice straw.
Bro, lost his straw. hey, yo. Nah. That's a bad series of events. Yo. Hey, you good? Man, it was that good, huh? Arigato. What you laughing at, bro? Yeah, my bad. I'm just an editor. Why are you laughing? No way! I didn't even notice there's a Taco Bell. That's crazy. Oh, are they? Yeah, baby, yeah. Hey, get a good angle, man. Get a good angle. Oh, he's making an edit. Nah, bro's cooking up an edit. That's lit. Bro, I'm telling you, this color gets so many more looks. That thing looks wicked in that corner, though, right?
Should I go to like something just like...
Oh, yeah, sir, sorry, guys, can you please stop, sir? Stop. Sir, please stop. Why is your straw in there? The sound is crazy.
Why is it coming out?
Why isn't it coming out? It's wild. Hey, yo.
Oh, I can see. Put your mouth around it.
Yeah, it's not on a little. Nah, do it with 2 hands. Nah, that's wild, bro. Oh, it is. Hey, yo, it's like, it's like magic. Nah. The TV. Nah, yo, Smart, is that you?
Mr. Beast.
Is that you?
Hell yeah.
Oh, baby, we bought a Max. Yes, sir. This looks great. Oh, he's already maxing. Taco Bell, man. This actually looks really good. So what I got is, it's got tenders in it, pickles, fries, and cheese sauce, and then whatever their like signature sauces. This looks crazy, bro. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. W day today. Look how crazy that looks, bro. It's still super unreal. I can't believe how amazing it came out. Big shout out to the boys at Electric Auto Finish. They did a kick butt job, bro. It looks amazing. It's dope. Super sick. We're in like this really deep corner of the parking lot. As you guys can see, the parking lot is freaking massive. It goes from like really far away. And people keep coming through this little spot right here, even though there's nothing behind us. They keep coming all the way over here to check out the car, take pictures of it. We had a couple of kids that were just coming home from like karate practice, and they had to hop out and hop in the car, check it out, man. Mashallah. It's my favorite part about having a supercar. If any of you guys are thinking, man, you know, like, should I treat myself? It's not just about treating yourself, but it's about treating the people that are around you, because you were once that little kid that wanted to hop in somebody's car and check it out. You thought it was dope. But I've absolutely loved it. Every little last bit about this car's color is amazing, man. It's catching mad eyes, super dope. But of course, if you guys like the vlog today, there's gonna be a lot more coming soon, inshallah. If you guys wanna keep watching these vlogs, if you guys like this content, more content to come. Hopefully we do some more stuff with the car, but also just more stuff in general, daily vlogging, stuff like that. If you really enjoyed it, make sure to drop something in the comments under here and let your boys know I'm freezing. I can't even talk. I'm running out of breath. It's too cold and I can't feel my fingers. I don't even know if I'm waving my hand or not, what I'm doing with my hand signals. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Take care, guys. Peace.